It's been raining all week and it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Despite the heavy rainfall, life is to go on, and transitioning from living in a city to living in the village, and that too in a region which is known as the world's wettest place, is definitely not easy. I'm not complaining. I am trying to embrace my current situation. Anyway, I trekked to the nearby village last Saturday and I got myself a beef trotter. The cold wet weather demands for a yummy, healthy soup, and I wanted to make some soup for my daughter. So, this is how I made it. Firstly, you need to burn the trotter so that you can scrape off the hair. Burn till it chars and scrape off the hair with a knife, then chop the hooves off as well. You can use a bone saw to cut the bones, it's easier that way. The ingredients required to make this hearty trotter soup are some ginger, garlic, turmeric and onion. You can make use of chilies, but I'm making it for my daughter, so I'm not adding any. Add some mustard oil, let it heat, then drop in the crushed ginger, garlic and turmeric, saute it for a while and then add the onions. Mine is starting to burn, so I'm adding the trotters. Stir for a while. Let the trotters get some color in them. Then add some water. Make sure that you cover the trotters and let it cook in a pressure cooker for at least 3 hours. And voila, your dish is done. The trotter soup is a delightful gooey and sticky mess full of collagen, which is great for your bones and skin. You can do the same with pork or goat trotters and enjoy yourself a hearty soup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye. Take care.